AI is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is shaping up to be a groundbreaking year for artificial intelligence. From autonomous AI agents to brain-computer interfaces, the future is closer than we think. But what does this mean for businesses, creators, and everyday people? Stay tuned as we break down the biggest AI trends set to redefine our world in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest in technology and innovation. AI has already transformed industries, from chatbots and virtual assistants to deep learning breakthroughs. But the next wave of AI advancements will be even more revolutionary. Today, we'll explore the top AI trends that will dominate 2025, some of which may surprise you. So, make sure to watch until the end, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more future-focused content. Let's dive in. Autonomous AI agents take over workflows. 2025 will see a rise in autonomous agents. Systems capable of making decisions, executing tasks, and even managing projects without human intervention. Think of AI-powered assistants that don't just schedule meetings, but actually attend them for you, summarize key points, and take action based on outcomes. Businesses will integrate these agents into customer support, marketing, and even software development, reducing human workload while increasing efficiency. These AI agents will be powered by advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, allowing them to function with minimal human input. For example, customer service departments will employ AI chatbots that not only answer queries, but also handle complex problem-solving and escalation processes. Companies will use AI-powered project managers that can assign tasks, track progress, and optimize team productivity without requiring constant human supervision. The result: increased efficiency and more time for humans to focus on strategic decision-making. AI-powered creativity will explode. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway are already revolutionizing art, music, and content creation. By 2025, we'll see even more powerful models capable of producing highly realistic videos, designing unique products, and even composing entire movies with minimal human input. The rise of AI-powered creativity will redefine industries like entertainment, advertising, and design, making AI an essential collaborator rather than just a tool. AI-driven content creation will also fuel the rise of deepfake technology, raising concerns about misinformation and authenticity. However, new AI-based authentication tools will emerge to detect AI-generated content and prevent misuse. Meanwhile, businesses will leverage AI to generate marketing materials, personalize ad campaigns, and streamline creative processes, allowing brands to create hyper-targeted content at scale. AI personalization will get ultra-smart. AI-driven personalization will go beyond simple recommendations and become deeply integrated into our daily lives. From hyper-personalized learning platforms that adapt to a student's unique pace to AI-driven healthcare that predicts illnesses before symptoms appear. This trend will make technology feel more intuitive and tailored than ever before. Retail and e-commerce companies will take AI-driven personalization to the next level. Imagine an online store that customizes its interface based on your browsing habits, preferred colors, and previous purchases. Even in the workplace, AI will help tailor employee training programs, ensuring workers acquire skills most relevant to their roles and career growth. Personalization will no longer be a luxury. It will be an expectation. AI in healthcare will advance preventative medicine. AI's impact on healthcare is already huge, but in 2025, we'll see the rise of AI-powered diagnostics and predictive medicine. Imagine an AI that scans your health data and alerts you to potential issues before they become serious. AI will assist doctors with real-time diagnosis, suggest treatment plans, and even help discover new drugs faster than traditional research methods. Wearable devices powered by AI will monitor health metrics, offering real-time health insights. Predictive analytics will help doctors diagnose diseases at their earliest stages, reducing healthcare costs and improving patient outcomes. Moreover, AI-driven robotic surgeons will continue to improve precision and efficiency in complex medical procedures, reducing human error and recovery times. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, will bridge the gap between humans and AI. One of the most exciting advancements for 2025 will be the development of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. Companies like Neuralink are working on devices that allow humans to control machines with their thoughts. This could revolutionize how we interact with computers, potentially eliminating the need for keyboards, mice, or even screens. BCIs could help people with disabilities regain mobility, enhance cognitive abilities, and open new possibilities for human-AI integration. BCI technology has the potential to create a new form of human-AI symbiosis. Imagine being able to send a text message, browse the internet, or even play a video game just by thinking. Scientists are also exploring BCIs to help individuals with paralysis regain control of their limbs using AI-powered prosthetics. However, ethical concerns and privacy issues will need to be addressed before widespread adoption. AGI. Are we getting closer to artificial general intelligence? The ultimate AI goal is AGI, artificial general intelligence. An AI can think, learn, and adapt like a human. While we're not there yet, 2025 will bring us closer, with AI models becoming more adaptable, reasoning more effectively, and performing complex problem-solving tasks across multiple domains. Some experts believe AGI is still decades away, while others argue that we're on the verge of major breakthroughs. Either way, AI is evolving rapidly, and the journey toward AGI is something to watch closely. Companies like OpenAI and DeepMind are making significant progress in creating AI models that can generalize knowledge across different fields. AI systems that can understand multiple disciplines, apply critical thinking. So there you have it, 10 AI trends that will shape 2025. AI transforming our world at an incredible pace, and these advancements will impact everything from business and creativity to cybersecurity and healthcare. What do you think about these trends? Are you excited about AI's future, or do some of these developments concern you? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.